Not surprising, because really follows in the theme of what we've been witnessing. But yeah, I think that we move on. The law of battles that we can fight. We think that the process is flawed, no doubt. Heavily flawed, laden with all kinds of constitutional violations. And I'm quite surprised that the Supreme Court will be more or less acceding to the perpetration of such violations against the highest judicial office holder. It's not about Justice Torkonoo, as I keep saying. It's not about Justice Torkonoo at all. The issues are far-reaching. They actually impinge on matters which affect the independence of Ghana's judiciary, the security or tenure of judges and all. But if the Supreme Court, for whatever reason, does not seem to take that view, well, so be it. I think that in future, the whole nation will get to know the consequences of this.
You said there are more battles to be fought. Are there specific measures you'll be taking going forward?
I'm not here to disclose to you my line of action or plans. But clearly, what we can say is that this is a procedure that should be deployed. There cannot be a situation where the Chief Justice cannot face an inquiry set up under Article 146 of the Constitution to determine some inquiries against some petitions against her. And she's not had notice of the specific charges in respect of which the prima facie case has been made, the basis for such charges, and the reasons why she's supposed to go through the inquiry. This is a basic right that is available to every citizen of the country. It's not an account of her being a Chief Justice or her requesting for the grant of higher rights than as are due ordinary citizens. She's asking for basic constitutional rights. The notice of charges that she's standing trial or she's supposed to respond to, the basis for saying that it's a case for her to answer. And indeed, this is a very significant point. It's a decision that resulted in her suspension. Are you saying that she cannot know the reason why she was suspended? She cannot know the specific charges on the basis of which the president said that she should go and stay at home and for another person to assume her office? This is very strange. It's something that is very much alien to every civilized legal system. But we'll see. We'll wait the reasons and then we'll deal with it.
Finally, in your opinion, you have said that this process is deeply flawed. There are those who are calling for the Chief Justice to simply resign and save herself all the trouble from this. As a former attorney general, to ask your opinion as a lawyer for Madam Torkonoo, what would you say to that? Due
process, rule of law, constitutionalism must prevail in Ghana. That is what we seek. It did not on account of people putting pressure on the CJ to resign or do whatever that will take any decision. The most important thing is that there must be an upholding of the rule of law in Ghana. And we will continue to assert our rights. So the proper thing must be done. As far as I'm concerned, the proper thing must be done. And she's the Chief Justice. She's been in office. She's been a judicial office holder for more than 25 years or so. She's been at the bar for almost 40 years. She knows what is due process. She knows what is constitutional rights. And I think that's what she's asking for. And how can it be correct that a judge who sat on two matters on which she also sat be called as a witness in a petition against her, and that same judge be made the chairman of the committee that is supposed to inquire into the petitions against the Chief Justice? Clearly, it's untenable. It's only in this country that I don't know. And the question is, on what account can she be singled out for removal from office when indeed she did not sit even alone? She sat as part of a panel.